A very good morning to one and all. So today we will start the third module called disaster impacts. So as of now, we have already discussed about the basics and fundamental concept of the disasters impact. Means what are the impacts will happen at different section of the society. It may be on the environmental level, physical level, ecological level, economical level, sometimes political level. So we have discussed in the previous classes about the basics of the impact. What does it mean? Why? How any kind of disasters impact our life at different levels. So today we will see in this lecture some more light on disastrous impact corresponding to environmental, physical, social, or ecological level. Okay. Okay, so we have already seen about the disasters. So disasters is nothing but a disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disrupts the functioning of a community or society, and it causes human loss, material loss, economical loss, environmental loss, and sometimes or generally it exceeds at such extent whatever the community or society having the own resources, it is not so much able to cope using whatever the resources we have. Okay, so at the time of any such event, that event is sudden event or calamitous event, and we don't have so much abundant of the resources at the time of at the time of event, we can mitigate the problems or the things associated with the event. So that event is called the disaster. And already we have seen the various definitions regarding the disasters. Disaster is the occurrence of an extreme hazardous event that impacts on communities, causing damage, disruption, and casualties, and sometimes leaving the affected communities unable to function normally without outside assistance. Means at the time of disaster or at the time of a particular event, at that time we are not so much able to do something without somebody help. So that type of scenario or that type of event comes under the disastrous event. Okay. And impact means impact is something called the action, the action of one object which is coming towards our society, towards individual level, towards capital level, with very forcibly or having high amount of energy into contact with the another object. So this is the meaning of impact. So we will see how we can define the disaster impact and what is happen if disaster comes to our uh, life, means at individual level, social level, or environmental level. So disaster impacts may be defined as establishing the direct, indirect, and intangible losses caused on environment and society by a disaster. So this is the meaning of disaster impact. Means there is a disaster, means there is an event which is having very hazardous, means the particular event is very much capable to do such type of scenario where we cannot stand or mitigate the things without somebody help, or with having our own resources. So this is a disaster, and something is going to happen in our life. It may be direct loss or indirect loss, or sometimes intangible losses also happened because of this disaster in the environment and society. So this is the meaning of disaster impact. So we can say it can be defined as establishing the direct, indirect and intangible losses caused on environment and society by a disaster, that is the disaster impact. Okay. Here one picture has shown, and just by seeing this picture you can imagine that at what extent the losses may happen. So here just see the in some area the building was totally collapsed. I mean, there was a building, and right now there is a plain area, and somewhere some building are just fallen apart from some part. So you can just imagine uh, what kind of losses may happen at the time of disaster, and what type of impacts in our life. Okay, so this is the very important section, whether we can where we can understand okay, what the remedies we have to take to mitigate the disastrous impact. We will see in the further classes okay, how we can mitigate the impacts from the disaster. Okay, so we have seen that how our life get affected by any kind of disasters. So we have seen that in terms of losses, we can understand in a very good sense how does disaster impact our life. So we have discussed that there are three types of losses: indirect losses, direct losses and intangible losses. So here one reference axis has been shown, and we can understand from this axis what kind of losses comes under the direct loss, and what kind of condition or situations comes under the indirect loss. So we have seen that if any physical damages on individual basis, that loss comes under the direct loss. Means somebody is getting personally harmed or harassed due to the some precarious condition of the disasters. So property or any kind of damage to people, buildings, damage to their contents, damage of vehicles of the people. So these are comes under the direct losses, and indirect losses means the something which is not going to directly affect our life, but whatever the things we are associated, it will hamper our life, means hamper our functionality of life. So that will comes under the indirect losses, like business disruption. Suppose as of now there is a COVID-19 situation. The lockdown is going. The lockdown is lockdown is since last 2 years, almost 1.5, more than 1.5 years. So somehow there are so many peoples they deprived from his or job, occupations. So somehow they have got affected because of loss of occupation, deprived from the job. So these are the indirect losses. So any kind of business disruptions comes under the indirect losses. And one more is the intangible loss. Intangible loss means something which is not hamper our life on a physical level, but it will affect, or it will impact our life on mental level. Suppose some any person which is a very famous personality in his region, but somehow due to the COVID situation, or due to some kind of disasters or some kind of hazards happen in that area, and he or she is not getting chance to perform. So definitely उसको कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाएगा, तो वो मेंटल लेवल पे क्या होगा, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसको एक पेन फीलिंग, पेन होगा, ठीक है ना। तो दिस काइंड ऑफ लॉसेज कम्स अंडर द इंटेंजिबल लॉस। सपोज करो कोई बहुत फेमस है, कोई एक्टर है, कोई बहुत फेमस एक्टर है, बट ही और शी इज़ नॉट गेटिंग चांस टू परफॉर्म और एक्ट इन any kind of stage. So definitely he or she will get some kind of injury or fatalities in his or her life. So they would not get any kind of chance to perform. So these are the comes under the intangible losses. Okay, so now come to the impacts of disasters on environment. So the impact of disasters, whether natural or man-made, not only have human dimensions, but our environmental ones as well get affected. So environmental conditions may intensify the or worsen the impact of a disaster and vice versa. So disaster have an impact on the environment somehow. Deforestation, forest management practices, agriculture systems, etc. can worsen the negative environmental impacts of a storm or typhoon. So this kind of activity leading to landslides, flooding, silting, and ground surface water contamination. So these are the some basic impact on the environment because of the disasters. So we have discussed just about the impacts of disasters on environment. So there are so many points also we can discuss regarding the environmental impact on environment. See, the disasters are not random and do not occur by accident. Okay, so they are the convergence of hazards and vulnerable condition. When the two conditions meet, hazards and vulnerability, then this disastrous phenomena occurred. So we can just we can just we can just say disasters not only reveal the underlying social, economical, political or environmental problems, but unfortunately contribute to the worsening them. Worse condition will happen at the time of disaster. So we can say the impact of disasters on environment and developments are manifold. So there are so many way the impacts of disaster on environment and whatever development we are talking about, social development, educational progress, infrastructure development, technological development, they 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 will get impacted. So we can say the impacts of disaster on environment and developments are manifold. So disasters create substantial environmental degradation and ecological imbalance. Sometimes it's hinder economic development, and also the process of improving the quality of life of the people get reduced, get retarded. And also the interaction of disasters and environment has both short term and long term effect. So these interaction, whenever we talk about the interaction between disasters and environment, so these interactions are interdependencies work in a complicated way and affecting people, ecosystem as well as the biodiversity. Okay, so we have seen that the impact of disaster on environmental or environment. So now come to the impact of disasters on social and economic condition. So we will try to understand this impact on social and economy with an example. So basically, we can see social and economic structure of a society is a major factor of the vulnerability of the population to the impact of any kind of disasters. Okay, so this is a very important aspects regarding the impact of a disaster on the social and economic structure of our society, because this is the major factor of the vulnerability of the population. Because whenever any kind of disaster will happen, so these are the more vulnerable. We can understand from the COVID-19 situation also कि how our economical condition and our social life has get affected because of this pandemic disaster. So we will try to understand from this examples which was taken from the across the world. So this can be explained the variation in the impact of disasters and environmental emergency all over the world. So one report as per Munich Reinsurance, like that, the economic losses due to the environmental emergency have increased threefold from the 1960s to 1990. Means last 3 decades. In 3 decades, the losses of economic condition or economy is increased up to threefold, 3 times. Okay, so one data I have taken from the thus Munich Reinsurance, like US $50 billion per year was invested or lost because of disaster to our economy. Okay, and it was observed that the most of the economic losses occurred in industrially developed parts of the world, developing countries in America, Africa and Asia. Developing countries like Africa and Asia, and which suffer greater burden of the relative impact of these disasters. Okay. On this aspect, we can say the effect of disaster on such a human and economic sector like employment, balance of trade, indebtedness from reconstruction, and loss of capital continue to be felt for many years after disastrous event will happen. It will occur. Okay, so we can understand how much this is how much it will be painful if the impact on economy or social at social level the impact of disaster occur at economy and social level, because it will decrease the employment, trade balance, and there are so many indebtedness regarding the part at personal level and at at reconstruction of and construction of the infrastructure like building construction, road construction, and there are so many loss of capital uh, uh, continued. Okay, so one report was that taken by the Henderson in 2004, and it says this level of risk is attribute actually before Henderson 2004, one report came, and it was like the developing nations in particular experience a continuous risk of devastation, human and property loss resulting from human and natural disasters. So definitely somehow we are on the high level of risk. So this level of risk is attributable to socio-economic stress, aging and inadequate physical infrastructure, weak education and preparedness for disaster, and insufficient fiscal and economic resources to carefully implement the preparedness, response, mitigation and recovery components of integrated emergency management. Then only we can reduce the severe impact of disaster to our social or economic condition. Okay.